Opening day 2018 in Miami, the Cubs taking on the Marlins, and before the game, both teams honoring the victims of last month's mass shooting at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland. A number of tributes. Anthony Rizzo, of course, attended the school, and Derek Jeter, his first opening day as CEO of the Marlins. Pick up the action. First pitch of the game, Ian Happ facing Jose Urania.
And a drive to right.
Go, baby!
What were you saying, JD?
Yes, sir!
Good! Oh, baby!
Oh, my! That's unbelievable.
So Rizzo hit by a pitch and scored a run in the first. And a drive to right. Well hit. It will go into the upper tank. It's 4-1. Deep to left. Schwarber still going back. And it's off the wall. Hopefully Kyle's all right. A very awkward collision with a fence. Dietrich trying for three, and he makes it. And Schwarber up on his feet, thankfully in left. Here's Anderson. Line in the left center. Castro around third. That ball gets all the way to the wall past Schwarber. Anderson will stand at third.
Infield in, the pitch to Cooper. Bouncing ball toward the middle, base hit, tie game. The 1-0. A swing and a bouncing ball, fair, base hit. Cubs are going to take the lead down the left field line. Bryant scores. Contreras going for two. He's got a double. Cubs lead 5-4.
Pull out the driver here. Hit this one 510 feet.
3-1 to Schwarber. In the air to right. It's deep. And it is gone. Third homer of the day for the Cubs.
Well, maybe not 510 feet, but enough to get the job done.
And the pitch is hit out into right center. That's trouble. 2 runs will score. Russell and Hayward are in. Tommy LaStella makes it 8-4.
The Cubs win on opening day 8-4. 23-year-old Ian Happ, the youngest Cubs player to hit an opening day homer since 1955. The bullpen picks up John Lester, going 5 2/3 scoreless innings, with Steve Cishek getting the victory.